The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Delaware, inland Sussex, and Kent. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level expected in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? Coastal sections of Kent and Sussex counties in Delaware. When? Until 10 a.m. Impacts. Widespread flooding of roadways is expected, with many roads becoming impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may occur. Additional details. Minor coastal flooding is possible with subsequent high tides on Saturday and Sunday. A coastal flood warning means that moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHPS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge. At 8 a.m. at Easton, Maryland.